we're able to execute some plays, especially Junmar. We're able to get, and I think that's the biggest difference, ano. Big factor because we're able to get Junmar, the ball to Junmar. And ayun, na-execute niya, and some of the key players from the perimeter ready to take the shots, and there's a lot of extra passes, and I think that's the key to winning tonight. Yeah, napansin niyo yun dahil second game, talagang without Junmar, it's really hard for us to win. Although we have a chance nung second game, but siyempre, iba yung may Junmar sa loob dahil you have a go-to guy that could create a lot of openings for our shooter. And good thing with Junmar, he learned his lesson dahil alam mo naman nung nakaraan puro flopping So I told him na not to do this, not to do that. And good enough na talaga nasa isipan niya yun Talaga yung composure niya nandun. Even though maraming banging pa rin sa kanya at masakit pa rin yung katawan niya, in fact, maraming anti-inflammatory na ginagamit siya, spray sa kanya dahil nasaktan siya But he wants to win And then he needs this win very badly, I think that's the key. And some support from the players. So, alam mo naman, gusto lahat manalo Even Chris Ross, talaga nagpapakamatay siya, And to the point na I'm stopping him to take the shot, the 3 points. That's why I want to call a timeout para kaya lang upbeat yung bata si Chris Ross, tinira pa niya yung 3-point niya. And I think that is part na yung galit doon sa kabila. Well, that is because of 3 points ni Chris Ross. Because it's 26 seconds remaining, and I think he feels na kailangan hindi abutin ng 24 seconds shot clock, tinira niya. Unfortunately, pumasok. During game nga, pinababayaan niyang tumira si Chris Ross Di ba? Ayun pa, wala na siyang pressure. Itinira niya. Nagbaka sakali, pumasok. So, kaya lang, yun ang naging nagalit sila dahil they thought na disrespect. But nothing, that's not intentional because pump up yung bata Dahil disappointed kami no last game namin na we thought na mananalo kami even though na we're down by 26 points in the first half. And it's a good run, great comeback sana, pero hindi nangyari.